Bok Kai Car Festival show, Bok Kai Parade car show. Pretty cool old cars here. What's up?
I don't have money.
How much money do you need? What? Well, wouldn't that be something prudent to find out? Here, hold this and show them the engine of the car while I grab the money.
I'll just wait. We'll just go over there together.
Here's 20. That should be good enough for whatever you're gonna do.
Yeah.
Here's, details.
I'll be over there.
All right, I'm gonna get this. Love you. Oh, looks like this is the LS1 swap out. '55 Chevy Bel Air. I think this might have been one in the Grumpy's. '66 Stingray. Look at those lines.
But I need the odds. I need the odds.
GTO. Who do you think, the 400 big block? Definitely 69. Oh, look at that beautiful interior and the shine on that thing. Good size trunk. What's up now?
They're out of the ribs.
They're out of the ribs.
Yeah.
Well, you want to go get something else to eat at one of the other food things? Okay. Well, excuse us. You can. All right, babe. Whatever's clever.
Let's go look. Look at you.
Oh, you're that's pretty good.
We have
Corvette Alley here. Triumph.
Oh, nice.
Love the interior. Beautiful interior. Venador. Ventador. I gotta say, it's a pretty cool Challenger. Well, that's more my style there, the Chevy pickup. Beautiful Camaro. Classic Corvette. Holden badge, just GTO here. Quick little cars. Not many cars of this era could actually beat a Cadillac I used to have. It was a 96 Seville, like some sort of sport package on it. This car sure could though. The Corvettes from the same time period, unless they were one of those souped up ones, could not even beat that Cadillac off the line. Front wheel drive V8, burned through tires, but great handling in all kinds of weather. Could you get them go? Afternoon, sir. Beautiful. Tell a lot of love went into the restoration of this one. 42 Packard. They don't make them like that anymore. Packard was well known for the quality. Looks like decent resto job, definitely honoring the quality build. Plymouth. Oh, hell yeah. Well, thank you. Love it. Oh, beautiful. Suicide doors. Nice. How long did the restoration take?
No, this was built in '94 in Arizona, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I only had it 12 years.
Oh, wow. Well, you kept it in great condition.
Oh, yeah, this is my baby.
Yeah, definitely tell that's a lot better for getting in and out of the vehicle, even on a
man, it is. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Well, definitely. Thank you for keeping it good and you know, having a
Oh, yeah.
being a
what's
historian.
fun about it.
That's right.
It's a hobby, better than drinking, right?
Right, exactly. Way more functional. You know, Jay Leno says that you don't really own it, you're just keeping it, you know, for your time in history. And thank you for doing such a good job, sir.
Thank
It's
you.
beautiful. Beautiful. Well, folks, you heard it from him. I guess I gotta stop drinking. Not that I do that often, but definitely a much better hobby. Still some street food down here. I think they run till 4. Gorgeous Bel Air. Mercury, I believe, of some kind. Oh, it's a Chevy. Oh, the old 40 Bombers. Yeah. Panel van with windows. Pretty neat. Looks like we got a Datsun. What is that, a 210 sedan or whatever they call these things? We had the pickup version for a while. My engine was not souped up like that, but we did put an engine from a little bit bigger truck into it. Those are hard to come by. 510, that's what it is. Classic Chevelle. Again, it's more my style there. Pickup. Nissan GTR. BMW Supra. Cool little Lexus. Cool little mini pickup. I like that carbon fiber on the Camaro. It's a nice touch there. American muscle. Mini truck badassness. Oh, we're getting into the square body Chevys here. Pretty cool. Oh, that's what that was yesterday in the parade of McLaren. P1, I think, right? I told you I'd played it in a video game, and I should know. The rear end is what gave it away that I knew what it was, but just couldn't place it. You don't see many in real life. Golf. Oh, Grand National Classic American Muscle. This is the only thing in the 1980s that saved the muscle car. Everything else was a gutless wonder, low compression pile. This was a pretty good, even by today's standard, as far as the rates of horsepower and what touches the ground. Very cool, very cool. I actually had seen quite a few of these Grand Nationals when I was a kid, but they're few and far in between now. Fastest production car for the year it was made. Loving it. The turbo sign everywhere. Really predated. Oh, this is an old Porsche 9 what? Porsche 914 6. Here's the 49er Corvette. Right. Mid-engine, beautiful. Jaguar. Jaguar, according to the British. It looks like it can handle a fat man. Yeah, I've always loved the mini pickups. Call me crazy. Those things are fun to drive at any speed, and that often keeps you away from a speeding ticket. You look down and be in third gear and doing 45, 55, and it just feels so peppy and fun. All right, folks. Well, have a great day. God, I love that orange pickup. If I were to pick anyone here, that would be the one I would have. Have a good one.